This is the pre-release marketing video showing the DataRoket Cognos data connector. What I'm going to show you here is end-to-end firing from Cognos data all the way into QlikView. We're going to do this at a high level, but what I'm going to show you here, at least for the DataRoket part, this is basically a configure and forget. Once it's set up, you're going to be looking straight down the DataRoket data pipe into Cognos, and you won't have to mess with this configuration. But for demo purposes, I'll show you end-to-end how it's set up. So let's take a look here. DataRoket does have many data connectors here. You can see we've got business objects, SAP. We've got different type of data connectors all along here. We're going to focus today on Cognos. We've got Cognos framework here, Cognos VVM, Cognos 10 here. I'm going to grab that. Let's start there. Just to keep it simple, I'm just going to grab one table to show the functionality. We'll pull that over into our workspace here. I know it has Unicodes in it, so that'll be something we can demonstrate as well. But just to keep things brief, normally we can multiple tables. We can choose our fields here we want to work with and create that package of data to run forward with. When we're done, we're going to go ahead and save this. I'm going to go ahead and make a package out of this. Once it's done, saved. Next thing we want to do is go ahead and create a query. So what I'm going to do is create that query. Again, we're going to go down here to our data sources, grab that package to start with. Here we're going to add all types of queries, conditions, whatever you, details you need to add here to go ahead and make the filtering here. So add filtering here, we can cut and paste SQL statements here, got a complex filtering system here based on software. All this here can go ahead and create the filtering, the correct query that you need to pull your data. Once that's put together, we're going to go ahead and save that. Do that here real quick, and once that's done, we're going to go ahead and take this query and we can actually create an association in cells. Now for the brevity again of this this demonstration, we're just going to keep it simple. We're just going to grab our one query here, create a cell, and show how it feeds in QlikView. So there's our query. What we want to do here is go ahead and save this, give a name here. Oops. Save it. And once that's done, we'll generate the cell, and then we'll go ahead and feed this in QlikView. So in QlikView, basically, we're going to go ahead and jump in here. We're going to use the DataRoket data pipe here. Make sure that's selected. Go ahead and connect to it. Since this is a web services here, I'm going to go ahead and make sure we get the correct URL. Put in credentials. Test the connection. Now it says connection successful, we're good, and then we can go ahead and start choosing the data we're going to feed into Cognos. The Cognos data we're going to feed into QlikView. I've got a slow connection tonight, I apologize. There we go, connection successful. Okay, we're all set. Now we're going to go ahead and select that data. So we'll pull up our screen. This is what you'll see inside of QlikView more often than not now. There we go. Okay, some of the data I've already started working with. There's our country stuff from Cognos. Go ahead and feed it in here. There we go. I'm just going to choose all of it and say OK. We'll reload. Now we're going to assume script. It's pulling the data into QlikView, and at this point we can go ahead and show how it populates the main design screen here, and then boom, we're done. So I'm going to take everything over and add it to there. As you can see, here it is in QlikView. So that's an end-to-end demo from Cognos data all the way into QlikView. If there's any questions, please give me a call.